Some people get head, they no get cap. Some people get cap, they no get head. Check. All right, so my people, now welcome. This beautiful picture one I dey see for here na this wonderful, fine, beautiful woman when they call her name say she be Mrs. Rasikat Adegbemi, and her children when her husband allegedly abandon say because of say dem get blue eye o my people. I don see this kind of thing. Yeah, this woman dem born am with unique. Yeah, my people, Baba God there when he dey for heaven, bless this woman with wonderful eye o when he blue. So this woman dey come say her husband abandon am because when two of them marry, actually the man according to wetin dem talk, they say the man abandon this woman o say because the family of the man don call the man tell am say na so so blue eye pikin na this woman go dey born. So because of the kind word wey be say dem talk about the eyes, e come make am abandon this woman o. This woman come dey sukpa, dey sukpa, dey sukpa, dey suffer. So Baba God come smile for this woman face o. When her matter come to social media, a lot of people come hear about this whole thing. In fact, the matter get as e be o. One good news come for this woman when the Minister of Youth and Sports Development, Mr. Sunday Dare, come offer these two children scholarship o, because according to the woman report, the woman say im daughter when na 5 years, e never at ten d school for one day say because of the man no come dey take care of them. So even the personal assistant to the minister, Shola Kolawale, he can't even pay them visit on behalf of his boss. He can't offer cash give the family. Even the first lady sef come dey interested in this woman matter. They come rescue this woman, come help and send am money, send am things. So but the koko of this whole matter now be say the husband of this woman don come out. As he come out, he come say he no abandon the woman o. The woman dey rude, he do this, he do that. So before I go start to dey talk about the Kamukama matter, the thing when e dey there be say the some kind photo company don come. When I see this video wey be say I dey show una now, they don come dey take photo shoot of this for this woman, come make am see the way they come transform them. In fact, a lot of people now, this woman now don dey attract a lot of attention. So they come na be this video wey I dey see. They come dey give them, snap them picture, dress them. When I say the way the woman come be like model, the woman come dey shakara, come dey make yanga. In fact, na this one na dem dey say I go bend down for Jesus, I go shakara for Satan. Una dey see am so, I go bend down for Jesus, I go shakara for Satan. So this shakara for Satan o, come dey shakara for Satan because all the thing wey devil plan say e go happen to she and her children, everything come turn around for her good. Different people come dey interested in her story because these are eyes fine well. These are eyes and her eyes. In fact, the woman get unique feature. I no tell you lie, the woman fine. So now when the woman matter come reach social media, when Kamuka husband come hear the matter, na the man come out to come begin dey talk o, no be small thing. He say he na abandon this im wife o. Me I no wan even play the man video because the video just dey vex me. Na Yoruba dem speak and dem do translation, but from wetin me I pick out the matter be say the man don come out, come deny the allegation. He say he no abandon the woman, say the woman dey rude, the woman no dey cook, e no dey feed am, e this. According to the story, when dem talk about this, when this woman come out talk, he say she bin get chemist wey she bin dey manage o. Say when dem chop the chemist money finish because the man no dey bring money, no dey even dey ask her, she and her children wetin dey carry. The woman talk good about her husband o. He no talk say the man na bad person o. He just talk say the family of the woman, of the man, na im come put asunder for their marriage. If not, the man love am as he marry am with the blue eye. The man know say he get blue eye. So when the family come dey complain say na the children all of them get blue eye, which kind children be dis, say dem no dey comfortable with the children, with this kind of eye wey this woman dey produce, dis children wey this woman dey produce. Na that time the man come actually change, come begin dey do anyhow. Cause he go go out in the night, he go go out 1 week, he never come back, he no even ask them wetin dem eat. So now wey be say God, Baba God there when he dey heaven don smile give this woman come dey shine. The man come out dey lie say he no abandon them o, he no abandon them o, say na this woman na im dey rule. The kind thing when e be say e talk about im wife sef, e no make sense, because you go just see jealousy. See some men some men dey too jealous, dey too jealous. This small windows of heaven when e just open for this woman now and im children, na im the man don come out to start to dey talk all sort of word wey be say e dey talk about the wife. And the wife never said anything bad about the husband, just that the woman just say the man abandon them because the family of the man na dem push am. So this man, you go see say a lot of jealousy don enter inside. E come be say the wife, he come see im wife for social media say dem come dey beg money. No dey see jealousy for this whole thing, my people. I no fit talk o, but wetin I know be say the mother of this girl don follow, don come talk inside, don come talk inside this matter. Wetin I dey be say, if actually, how una see this matter, my country people, una torchlight this matter, una chook mouth. Una feel say this woman make e forgive this im husband, go back, or make e move on with im life? Because from this whole thing, from this whole matter, if you look at this whole thing now, you go see say poverty get im own role when e play for the life of this family. And the man na man wey be say e no get self-will. That is, you as a man, you go take charge of your home. Even if your family people come tell you say your wife dey born children wey be say dem get blue eye, you go stand your ground because you don marry, you don marry. Now you let your family people come push this woman go jam her glory. Now you want make come follow you, come dey super. A lot of company now, they don come, they come dey snap this woman, and before you know, this woman go enter magazine with this im beautiful children. Before you know, money go begin dey come. So if this man actually love im wife, and if the woman know say im love im husband, two of them they can reconcile, because who I be why go come say make this woman no reconcile with im husband. You see, na so e just be, my people. How una see this matter? Una want make this lady go back to the husband, even though say the husband don come dey talk us, because the way the man dey talk sef, e no talk like somebody wey be say e want im wife back. E just dey talk, they talk some kind let down word for the woman. They tell people say he no abandon im wife, he dey buy food. But if you no abandon your wife, how come a 5 years old child never go school for one day? He never go school for one day. And according to them, they say one of the children, say them, this one when are 5 years, say them be twins. One of them come late because of lack of care from wetin the woman talk. Now, make una, in fact, I no wan talk go the man side again. How una see this matter? Abeg, make I feed una with a lot of new. See the way the woman don transform. The woman don transform. See her picture. Wanna check out this picture? How una see am? So, my people, how una see this picture? Alright, so my people, how una see this matter? If e be say you get anything wey be say you wan talk concerning this matter, wey be say I touch light about this woman, make you leave your comment for comment section so that we will continue for there. If e be say you be part of this channel, I say thank you, God bless you. If e be say you never subscribe to this channel and you dey watch me, abeg wetin una dey wait for? Make una support this Ososo ministry. Make una subscribe to this channel and be part of this channel by clicking the red subscribe button and click the bell notification, so that anytime I upload video, now you go first hear that bell sign wey make gbagam, then you go subscribe and be part of this channel. God bless you. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day. Bye.